Hello everyone, welcome to another one of my London walking videos. This one is a bit different. This is a nighttime walking tour, not a daytime one, and I'm walking down Piccadilly here. The reason I'm doing this at night is because we are coming up to Christmas and various streets in central London are lighting up for Christmas. So if you look up above you, you will see Piccadilly is having a sort of angel Christmas light theme. So as we walk down Piccadilly, we'll see all those angels up above as if they were flying in the air sort of thing at night. It's very nice, making the whole place look nice and bright, very attractive. Piccadilly is really busy at the moment, a load of people and full of traffic. And see that bright red building on the opposite side there? That is Fortnum and Mason, a fairly famous department store, maybe not as big or as famous as Harrods, but probably in the same league really. I went in earlier hoping to do some video inside, but I was told I'm not allowed to video the inside. Unlike Harrods, I could sort of video as much as I want inside. So anyway, can't see anything inside, can only admire the exterior. Oh, and don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my videos. Just doing a quick detour into Burlington House, which is on Piccadilly. Now this is the Royal Academy of Arts. It's a privately funded institution. Entry is free, but there are various exhibitions that you have to pay for to see. I walk past here all the time, but I don't know why. I've never actually gone in to have a look at the inside of the house or the artwork. So maybe that might be the subject of an upcoming video. Don't know, we'll have to see. Right, we are finished with Burlington Arcade. Basically, we are now coming back into Piccadilly and turned around, walking back down towards Piccadilly Circus where we started from. By the way, I have already done a video of Piccadilly during the daytime. I will put a link in the description box if you want to go and see what Piccadilly is like during normal daytime.
So flipped it that side. I'm constantly worried about my weight. I'm straight.
We are coming up to Piccadilly Circus where this video ends. However, I still have got Regent Street, Bond Street, Oxford Street and Carnaby Street Christmas walking night video to come. I hope you'll join me in watching those videos as well. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like my videos. Thank you. I will see you next time. Bye.